manga zinyimbo ndamumwalela zirendo mwalela zirendo ndamumwalela zinyimbo pezi yene yazitenda haleluya tifenda ipopo oh baby walipopo ndimufuna ba ndasokota manga zinyimbo ndamumwalela zirendo ndamumwalela zinyimbo pezi yene yazitenda alufuno lwawe ndimufuna bati chivenda ipopo oh baby walipopo ndimufuna bati
treke nding'walela mutu wanga hip hop hele crash on you ndiche mwana wa chikolo na dhimfuna beke ndisi mutu wa zizoro nawo vasatotumficha randa ncha na zizolo kane chingatero isina tetezi chining'walela zvirendo na zvitori ndisapezi uvashaka nainwi zoditusa karungezi. Have you noticed the poem that I wrote back then? I was young, smart and fun. You hang up with me, we were like kinda cool. Like hip hop, oh I love you. Like hip hop ndiyanifuna ndihumbula richitanga na chitaratani chini cha mangazi vese na zirime. I speak what I feel batopera ngazi smile. Yeah, you like my girlfriend, you like my best friend. Come closer, take a seat, then show me how to make a meal. Then show me how to make a meal. I was like hip hop ndiyanifuna. Hip hop ndiyanifuna. Hip hop ndiyanifuna. Mrepa nonga pizza limpopo wahuna. Yeah.
ndasokota manga zinyimbo ndamumwalela zirendo ndamumwalela zinyimbo pezi yene yazitenda haleluya tifenda ipopo oh baby walipopo ndimufuna ba ndasokota manga zinyimbo ndamumwalela zirendo ndamumwalela zinyimbo pezi yene yazitenda alufuno lwawe ndimufuna bati chivenda ipopo oh baby walipopo ndimufuna bati
chichecho ndina inwi panda maiki zinapiti chirwa kapela mara zvinaisi. Then I realize mzika ndibindu and I came up with my beat Bizzaland, playing new keys at the same time speaking word of friends. Yeah, my beat are priceless. You can't afford them if you know you got 1,000 rand. Yeah, if you ain't rapping rock, what you rapping for? Track is you about to what for? Unless you say you got a lot of cash now, do what are you crying for? Got energy pop, no good over patient. Keep doing me, don't act like Lil Wayne. Didiba cool boy, now ndika hip hop. Tinga itizwa matamba ngori ndika hip hop. Tanga nisama ifi, ano make a sense. Nikote certain story, maybe ndiko amba na zi fake rappers. Man, if you diss me, I'm gonna deal with you personal. Like, hey dude, practice what you preach. Ndiyaifuna hip hop. Ndiyaifuna hip hop. Unamrepa nonga pizza limpopo.
ndasokota manga zinyimbo ndamumwalela zirendo ndamumwalela zinyimbo pezi yene yazitenda haleluya tifenda ipopo oh baby walipopo ndimufuna ba ndasokota manga zinyimbo ndamumwalela zirendo ndamumwalela zinyimbo pezi yene yazitenda alufuno lwawe ndimufuna ba